You guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Wyze Plug Outdoor. I ordered it from Amazon and I can't wait to actually use this thing right here. I do love Wyze products, so I have a feeling I'm going to love this one too. So let's take a quick look at the box and then we'll unbox it and test it out and everything. So you could set timers, you could do scheduling and automation. So it's just like, if you guys are familiar with the Wyze Plug for the indoor, you could actually, it's pretty much the same thing as that. And this is, it says outdoors, but you could use it indoors or outdoors, however you guys prefer. And the cool thing, it does monitor your energy, so it tells you how many watts it's putting out. So that is very cool. If you're kind of like wondering how much energy something uses, an appliance or whatever you guys are hooking up, it's cool that it has that feature right there. It has that 15 amp high output, and then also vacation mode, just in case you guys want to like set up a schedule or if you guys want to control it from the distance. Let me show you guys the back of it right here. It's super easy to set up. We're going to be setting it up right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. You guys, so this is what it looks like right here. That's cool that it has like these covers right here, so you could actually, if you're only using one, you could, you know, cover the other one up. So it is cool that it does have the plugs right here. But this is basically it, you guys. We're going to be using this outdoor and also indoor. So it also comes with a quick start guide, and then we do have, like, if you guys want to mount this, it does have like a little mounting bracket right here. I do want to point out that this is for iPhones and also Androids. You guys just have to have the Wyze app, and you can download it through the App Store or through Google Play. And the cool thing is that this little monitor right here, it's the dusk to dawn light sensor. So it's going to know when it's daytime and when it's not. And it also has a Wi-Fi status light, and then of course the power light. Right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right here. As you guys can see, the lights are turning on, and then it's flashing right now because it's trying to get the Wi-Fi signal. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my app now. And here it is right here. It's the Wyze Plug Outdoor. It's pretty simple setup, you guys. So we did connect it to the Wi-Fi, and now we're updating the firmware right now. You do have to find your Wi-Fi and enter the password. So here's what it looks like on the actual app, and I do like the fact that they're separate plugs and you could turn them on separately individually. It's not like, okay, you have to have them both on or both off. I do like that feature right there. You guys, now that the firmware is updated, all I did is I plugged in a lamp inside to socket number 1, and then we're going to be testing it out right now. It's super simple. You guys see that power button? All you have to do is click on it just like so, and it turns on. We could click on it again and it turns off, and it's that simple, you guys. A lot of people are going to be using this for like Christmas lights, and it's kind of like outdoor, and it's kind of a timing sensor. I do like the fact that it has that dusk till dawn, so I'm going to set my Christmas lights up. I'm going to have them on for a couple of hours. I'm gonna have it on a schedule, and I love it. I love it already, you guys. It's a power saver. You don't have to go outside if it's cold, you know, to turn on the Christmas lights. So I definitely recommend this product.